Did you know that you can specify integer values of enumerators? Remember previously when we made an enum and we set it to days, and then inside of here we had like days of the week, so say Monday, and then we had Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Each of these had a specific index already assigned to it. So this was 0, this was 1, this was 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Well, did you know you can actually assign the indexes? Yeah, you can do that. So let's say Thursday. Right now, it's currently 3. So if we were to test this in the main method, and we were just to cout, and we print the enum Thursday, just end this line right here, it's going to print out a 3. But if we wanted to, it's the same format as it is in this little pop-up box that comes up. We can set Thursday equal to anything we want. We can set it to the integer value 20. We don't have to set the other ones though. We can leave those be. So this is now equal to 20, as you can see. Wednesday was 2. We can set this equal to 1. So Wednesday has the value of 1 and Tuesday has the value of 1. If I'm to cout again, run this again with our updated Thursday, you'll see it will print 20. So that's just another section of specifying integer values of enumerators. We have more enum and other C++ videos in the description below the like button.